Hello, English learners, and welcome back to this English grammar exercise. Today, I have a very good one for us to look at. We are going to see the difference between made of and made from. Do you know the difference between these two phrases? I will give you a tip. Made of is used when you can see the raw material in a finished product. The raw material is a product that is used to make an object. Made from is used when you cannot see the raw material in the finished product. So, essentially, when you can get back the raw material from the finished product, you use made of. But if you cannot get back raw material from any finished product, you use made from. Okay, let's know more after these exercises. Number 1. The ring is made gold. The gold is still visible and still recognizable. The material is simply shaped and not fundamentally changed. You can melt the ring and get the gold back. So this would be off. A ring is made of gold. Paper is made wood. The wood is completely transformed. It goes through a chemical process to become a purple lump. You cannot see the wood in the finished product. So this is from. Paper is made from wood. A sweater is made wood. The wool fibers are still present and noticeable. The material is made into a new form, but its essence remains. You can unravel a sweater and have the wool yarn again. So this would be off. A sweater is made of wool. Bread is made flour. The flour is altered by baking and misting. It is a key ingredient, but its original form is gone. You cannot get the flour back from the bread. So this would be from. Bread is made from flour. A statue is made of stone. The stone is completely shaped, but not changed. The material is still clearly stone and visually present. You can see the properties of the stone itself in the finished product. So this would be of. A statue is made of stone. Wine is made grapes. The grapes are fermented into a new substance. The fruit's properties are chemically changed. You cannot get the grape back from the wine. So, this would be from. Wine is made from grapes. A cake is made flour. A chair is made wood. The wood is still wood. You can still see the wood grain and all the qualities of the original material. It has simply been cut and joined together. So this would be a chair is made of wood. Plastic is made oil. The oil undergoes a chemical reaction to become plastic, losing its original properties. The raw material is completely transformed. You cannot see or get the oil back. So this is from. Plastic is made from oil. A window is made glass. The glass is the transparent material, and its form is not fundamentally changed. You can see the glass in the finished products. If you break the window, you get pieces of glass. So, this would be 4. A window is made of a glass. Cheese is made milk. The milk is curded, aged, and then transforms into a solid form and is no longer milk. This original material has been chemically changed. You cannot get the milk back from the cheese. So this would be from. Cheese is made from milk. A car tire is made of rubber. The rubber is molded but remains the visibly and identifiably material of the tire. You can see and feel the rubber. The material has not been chemically transformed. This is off. A car tire is made of rubber. Juice is made fruits. The fruits are pressed and the liquid juice is a new product that doesn't look like the original fruits. The material has been physically transformed. You cannot see the whole fruits in the finished juice. Let's do a quick check. In this question, you have to see whether these, when used in a sentence, is either made of or made from. You will have 10 seconds to solve all of these questions. You can pause if you need more time. The words are glass bottle, orange juice, leather bag, chocolate cake, and wooden table. The answers are on the screen. Glass bottle, made of. Orange juice, made from. Leather bag, made of. Chocolate cake, made from. Wooden table, made of. To recap, made of is a material that is recognizable, but made from is a material that is completely transformed, like a glow up, but on objects. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And tell us which video would you like to see next.